Hello everyone, welcome you all in the another part of making Tic Tac Toe game. So I'm just sharing my screen with all of you, and the half code we have done. Now the rest half code we are going to do in this class. So we made the function for drawing the circle and for drawing the board. Now we will be drawing do write the function for drawing x. Okay, so I'm just writing down the function that is defined. Oh, just wait. So you will open your REPL and start doing your project. So we will write just define draw x, and here we will give xy, and this will be like this. Then you will write total dot color, and the color will be blue. Then the same code we will write like turtle dot up, then turtle dot go to. Okay, so I'm just taking out this code for that. I don't want to write it again and again and again. So I'm just writing, I'm just doing this. So it will be x 0.75 minus, then I will take the same for y minus 0.75. Okay, then it will be like total down. So I'm just taking this code for total down. And then I will take total go to again, and this time the x and y will be plus. Okay, so like it will be going back actually. So I'm just taking this over here, and this time the code will be like x plus 0.75 and y plus 0.75. By the way, this should be x minus 0.75 only, and y minus 0.75. Okay, here instead of this minus, we will take plus. X plus 0.75 and y plus 0.75. Then you will take this command as total dot up. Then again go to and down command. So I'm taking these two command blocks. So total dot go to x minus 0.7, y plus 0.7. Okay. Actually, this is the command for making x, like how you are creating the x. And total dot go to, again, you will take this command. And here I will write x plus 0.75 and y minus 0.75. Okay. Now the next one is define draw keys. That's I, J, P. Okay. And here we will apply the condition. So P is equals to 0, then return xy is equals to 2. That will be the multiplication of j minus 1. Then I will put comma, minus 2 will be the multiplication of I minus 1. So this is actually the part of this, and if conditional statement, I don't know why this is showing like that. So IJP, we made three variables over here, and then let me check. Unexpected indentation. I think this is fine. Oh, okay. This should be the part of define, I think. Yes, this is the part of define. Okay. No, but this should come in F. Okay. Actually, this indentation is really very important. So, local variable x is assigned but never used. Okay, it's all right. We will use them. No problem. So, if p is equals to 1, then draw x will be x, y. And yeah, see, now the error is not giving because I have used the variable. So that's what it is saying. And inside else, you write draw circle xy. Okay. Now again, we will define the another function. So I will write define draw b this time. Draw board. Like we made the function, now we are calling them with the help of loop, like how many number of times they are using. So that's what we are doing here. Free. Then we will do for j in range 3. Then here it will be draw is, that will be I, j, b, means I'm taking all my variables. I'm also taking out like this, like b out of b, I'm taking the I and j. So now I will update the screen dot update. Okay, so we need to update the screen over here because every time whenever you will write code, you need to update your screen. So here am like I wrote one comment that if I write 1 if 1 wins, 2 if 2 wins, and 3 if ties. Okay, 0 if game is not over. So like in this way, I will create the function that is game over. So I have a board and the function. So I'm just copy paste this function because it's quite big. I will explain you what is happening over here. So this is actually the function to define game over. Okay. Here it is saying that if b00 is greater than 0 and b00 is equals to b01 and b01 equals to b02, return b00. Actually, this is one of the particular format that we use to defining the conditional statements as if this is going to happen, then something is going to happen or not. Okay, so one here defines when the player one wins, two here defines when the player two wins, three here defines when there is a tie, and rest zero is defined like when there is, game is not over, that is for zero. So this is actually a board you can see to define the, compare, like to compare the things, and this you will be writing down as it is. So here it says it's comparing with the operators, like if this and this and this happens, then this is going to happen. So the output is B00, it means game is not over, right? So actually we are making the grid. Let me show you with an example. This is our board, right? Now we will do all possible answers over here, like what are the winning criteria. If this is happens, like if this happens, then I will win. 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 So that's why for this thing, we are just comparing our 0101 the rows. Okay, the rows and columns we are checking, and according to that we are giving this condition. Now after giving this condition, let's come to the next part. So here I will write like p is equals to 0, like I'm giving my p a value that is 0. Now after this I will put a for loop here inside the define only. So I'm giving for I in range 3. Okay, so for I in range 3, for j in range 3, p plus is equals to means something is going to add again and again. If you're going to add something, then we use this like p is equals to this one. So here we are giving a condition that one, if bij is greater than 0 as 0, then what you're going to return. Okay, so this is again a function. So I am just taking this condition. You can write it down by yourself. If you're facing any problem, because the program is very big, so I need to copy paste some codes. You can pause the video and you can see how it is working. Okay, and now the next part is you will come to this for loop. Okay, like in this label you will come here, you will make a proper distance like this, and p is not defined over here, but I am just calling the p here, so it will be, don't worry. So let's come here. Actually, there is indentation one, like when you move it here. So there is an indentation, that's why it's coming like that. So I put the if condition, then else conditional statement. Now here, define play, like we have to give the final condition to our game. And I'm just come to this define block, like this one, your function. Okay, so this is your function label, and I paste the command. So what the command is, let me explain you. So define play x and y. Global turn means actually we are making the global variable. Okay, here I equals to 3 minus integer y plus 5 is divided by 2. Actually this one gives us accurate result. So these are actually the calculation how you win the game, how you lose the game. So if your game over will come, then it will show onto the screen that game over, X won, game over, O won, game over, tie. Means it will show us like this because we don't know player is the X, or computer is the 0 and X. Okay, that's why. And here we are just giving a list, and it's just like turn X, on click play. I'm just taking this function like on click play, and this is your main loop. You can review the code properly, you can watch the code, and this is all about the tic tac toe game we made. So the code is bit longer, you can simply pause it and you can write it down accordingly. Okay, so let me run with the code, and it's running. Let's go to the output. Oh, it was running actually before. Let me go to the console. Acha, we have to run it again. Okay, okay. So now go to the output. So this is our tic-tac-toe game. Now I'll do cross. This is 0, cross, 0, cross. Ooh, X1. That's great. Okay, so X is me, so that's why I won. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video, tic-tac-toe game. I hope you enjoy a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.